Alright guys, so we're opening the vlog right here. We just pulled up to the spot right now. I already see like 2 to 3 cops right here. We got cops on the other side too, so we're gonna go check that out as well. Alright, so we got more cops over here on this side. So we pulled up to the first location right now. We got people taking over the intersection right here. I knew that you were in jail. Fuck everybody that said that. Welcome back. Alright guys, so the cops showed up. A lot of cops showed up actually. So we're dipping actually the fucking boxing people from the back over here. They came here from the intersection. Minimum at least 3,000 people here. But they can't really do much, guys, as you can see. Alright guys, so we're delivering the second location. It got very bad to the point where so many cops pulled up right now. They're escorting us out of here. It's a lot of people to stop.
Which way should I go from here, right?
Away from the cops, yeah, right.
Right.
We got hella cops right here, guys. Literally, the whole Spectrum Mall thing has been shut down, and its capacity was like 3,000 people. Irvine is officially shut down, guys. God damn, this is a crazy as me. We got more than 50 units out here right now. Alright, guys, so we're pulling up to the next location. We're ready to get ratchet as hell. That's right. Got the fireworks in the back already. That's right. I like that. Watch it, watch it, watch it. That guy went flying up in this bitch. We got the cops pulling up, so we're about to dip. This guy got ran over. He's looking for his shoes, his clothes. Hey. What's up? What's up? You're good?
Yeah, I got hit by the car.
That's right, but you're good. That's right. All right.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you, brother. Take care. Yeah.
What's up?
Hey, let me see your back of the sweater. Oh! We got one of the cops pulling up right now.
That's it.
Alright, so the next spot's giving out. We got cops right here on this side. We got the cops on this side. Yeah, nice. Looking good with that sweater, boy. Let's go. This dude went through the bushes. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to my favorite spot, which is the Anaheim Plaza. The cops tried so hard to protect this spot all the time. But I think the way that they maneuver this, I don't think no cops are gonna show up. The guy already swinging it as we speak.
This is the spot where the Charger blew up.
Oh yeah, this is where, yeah, it caught on fire over there. This is my favorite spot. I don't know why. Maybe because of the signs and the lighting. Guys, so we're pulling up to the beach. We're getting ratchet as a motherfucker. So I love it. So check it out. Hey, this is the whoa. They get the CDK for the free sweater. I love it. Nice, huh?
Yeah, they even brought a baby.
Oh, see, I'm telling you guys, this is Disney right here. We got the fireworks. Shout out to Mo for risking his life for the footage. That's right. That was legit outside his car, swinging at the same time. Outside his car. That was crazy. I never seen that.
That shit was sick, huh?
Yeah. I'm telling you, this is Disney. This is Disney right here. We got the little kids. We got the fireworks. We got multiple burnouts. We got the KFC We got the chopper after 20 minutes. He came in. People are still gonna burn out as we speak. All right, so let's get it. We got Holy Stag in the house. We got my boy Carlo. Keep in mind, we have the helicopter hovering, recording everything. Keep in mind, we got the helicopter on top, we got cops everywhere, nobody gives a fuck right now. It's free for all out here, guys. Oh my god, I'm having a lot of fun. Hey, we're tripping. Hey, so we got the chopper on top, and everybody's still having a great time right now. I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite spots because it always cracks. Oh yeah! We got the bumblebee in the house! Oh damn, everybody's going in! God damn! So I can talk to you a little bit, guys. It's fucking crazy out here right now. It's like legit crazy right now. This speed is gonna be very hard to top right now. It's out of hand, guys. They gave me some fireworks. I don't even know what. Oh, we got my boy. This is a gift, alright? Leave it alone. I'm actually having a great time, by the way. It's been a minute since I have been to a meet that is this crazy right now. But it's lit. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, my boy Emilio. What's up, buddy? Chopper's been up for like a good 20 minutes. What's up, King Fresh? Hey, what's up, man? What's up? But nobody cares right now. My face is like dirty. We're going at it. We got a truck, by the way, swinging it. Then we're gonna take it to see the truck. What up, my boy? Hey, what's up? Hey, here, give me a gift. Damn! This truck really can swing. Everybody's lit out here. Oh, damn! This guy has a KFC helmet on. What the? tires out here. Let me see that regalito. Oh, that shit's hot, bro. Nah, you can keep that. We got a Tesla in the house. What the hell? Oh, appreciate it, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. He's about to launch this shit into the crowd. I don't know if the Tesla wants to do donuts. Is he trying to launch it right now in front of everybody? That's a fully battery packed. He's horny. He's ready to go. I thought I seen it all before, but like, now we have a Tesla here, so something different. Let's get those batteries going. Come on. There you go. Oh, Tesla's swinging there. The Tesla is swinging there. That's God damn, Tesla. First they fucking beat every car production Tesla with that crazy launch. Now they're doing donuts out here? Come on now. We got the CTSV out here right now. No cops, Chopper's still hovering on top. For sure, one of the craziest meets of 2019. This is gonna be hard to top. I'm pretty sure the only people that could top this meet will have to be themselves. That's the only competition they got. That's right. We did. That's right. CDK for the win. CDK for the win. That's right. Run, Forrest, run! Chingue su madre. We got the backpack boy right here. Lasted a good ass while. Oh, back up! Get back! Oh, baby! CDK, fuck the world, nigga! That's right! Now he's out there in another suicide mission! Oh, shit! My back! Oh, another one! Oh! The cops came in hard right now. God damn! Go! Dip! Oh! God damn! It's Fast and the Furious, baby! Fast and the Furious! Dude! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! Oh, damn it! Oh, damn, we got the cop boxing it in. Okay, so we got cops boxing it in left and right now. Okay, so the cops are actually trying to box us in there. Now let's go in more. Hey, Joel! Come on.
Hey, Joel's right here, bro. No, I know, bro.
Alright, so we're dipping right now. Cops came in hot. They're trying to box this whole bitch up. Hey, what's up? What's cracking? You got my phone?
Yeah. Me?
They're trying to box this whole thing down. It was chaotic, guys, but we're about to dip. The good thing is that Mo, he's not scared of anything. He'll take all kinds of curves.
They're already coming out, right? Huh? They beat him. Hey, put my phone on charge because it died.
Anaheim Plaza has been officially taken over. The cops, they got the rifles out. The cops got the rifles out. This guy's giving them a show. Oh, goddamn, we're off-roading in this bitch. That's right. We off. Hey, that's more money for the win. Oh, God damn, 300 for the win. 300 for the win. Man, that's how you get away from. God damn. Watch it. Oh, God damn. The cops are legit after us right now. This guy, we ain't going anywhere, right? So the boy right here, he off-roaded, took lights and all that shit. Was Got the cops doing traffic right here.
We run away from the shopping center.
Traffic right here. And the cops are still in there.
Look, we're tore the bush down. Everyone's doing.
Got more cops right here.
Is everything okay? Oh, I just wanted to make sure no one died.
Give me a kiss.
Days in the trap, I got my money